Then there's Mike, my old classmate from university. He's a wedding photographer, and we have always had different career paths. He worked in visual, while I work in finance news. But the difference gives me a fresh perspective. Mike helped me to understand that the importance of agility and how a wedding photographer needs quickly access to their gear.
我真係期待佢能夠做到一機一鏡，跟住可能加支水，又或者我會同人哋結伴同行嘅時候，有一啲小嘅位置，有買一啲小嘅精品，想有啲小嘅間隔係容易啲係放雜物嘅，咁當咗一個城市嘅日常生活用嘅袋，咁我覺得呢個 size 差唔多啦，對我嚟講唔會有太大嘅負擔啦。咁呢個容量所擺到嘅嘢，亦都應該唔會重到我覺得好辛苦。拉鏈放
有啲咧可以買一條系列叫擴充嘅容量。
啊，即如果我知道我可能購物比較多，咁我亦都唔想下下一開始就已經好似好大個袋咁樣，我用得着嘅時候先至去加，咁我覺得呢個都係我加分位嚟。